I'm going to do my favorite. I don't actually like doing this. This is the fabric I'm going to use. It is, wait for it, a thrifted bedsheet or curtain. So I didn't need to put in the ties to know that I needed to take it in. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am making this Asos dress as a homecoming dress because school is back in for a lot of people. I'm out of school, but I was looking at homecoming dresses and this one came up on my sponsored recommended on Instagram, but I really liked it. So I decided to make it for this week's video. I hope that y'all like it too because I think it turned out really well. It would be great for homecoming or any other nice event that you have coming up. So yeah, let's get into it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, follow me on my social medias, and let's get into it. Okay, in this week's video, I'm making a homecoming dress because it is back to school and I started looking at some online and I found a lot that I liked, so I might make a few, but this is the dress that I am going to make. It is from Asos. I noticed when I was just looking at it that it has two different sleeves, and I'm going to do the one that's like an actual sleeve, I think, because I was thinking if someone actually makes this for homecoming or for a dance, I want it to be easy to move in, and the side sleeve I feel like could be a little hard, so that's what I'm gonna make. That's what I'm gonna make this week. And to draft the top part of the pattern, I'm going to do my favorite. I don't actually like doing this. The tape method where I draw on it. So I'm going to get ready and tape up like half of me. Actually, I don't know if I need to do half. At least the front quarter of me and draw out what I want the piece to look like. Okay, I taped myself for the most part. I shouldn't have done that on a t-shirt, but it is what it is. So now I'm gonna draw out what I want. Okay, this is kind of it. I'm gonna cut it out and trace it to paper. Okay, so I have all the pattern pieces cut out. There's the skirt, the corset part, the top, like bust, the sleeve, that'll be cut on a fold, and then the back, and then I'm going to cut a lining for the corset and the top part, maybe for the back, I don't think so, but yeah. This is the fabric I'm going to use. It is, wait for it, a thrifted bedsheet or curtain. Like always. I say looks, my mom hates that I buy them, but it has, I'm trying to step on it so you can see, it has a little bit of give, only in one direction, but it is like actually has a little bit of give. So I'm going to get ready and cut out all of the pieces in the lining. I might do the lining in this if I have enough. If not, I will just scrounge around from some extra fabric that I have saved and use that, and then I will get ready and start sewing everything together. Also, I don't know if I said this already, so for the skirt, I'm probably gonna have to add a zipper. I'm gonna wait and see. And then for the back, I am going to do ties, so you tie it up. Yeah, so I will not connect the back pieces, which is why like at so much of a slant. So yeah. Okay, I cut out all of the pieces. I was able to do the lining in this one, but for the top part, I had to use a different fabric. So yeah, this is the top, the like corset, skirt, back, sleeves, those are folded. So I'm gonna first sew those together, and I'm gonna leave the bottom open to flip it inside out, and then I will sew both like the first parts of the corset together. Okay, so I finished the front. Before I connected the two sides together, I did like a basting stitch on the bottom of the top part, so it'd be easier since there's two layers. And then also I'm about to connect the back to the front piece, and I did the same thing for the bottom here, so it's just not moving apart. So I'm gonna attach the back, and then we're going to attach the ties and just use a ribbon I have to see like how the fit is and if there's anything I need to adjust before putting the sleeves on. So I didn't need to put in the ties to know that I needed to take it in after I put it on. So say hi to Blaze. I took in the front part all the way, and then I took in like the shoulder part like 2.5 inches. So now I'm going to serge all those seams and get ready and attach the sleeves. Okay, I added the sleeves, so now I'm going to hem the side of the sleeves and hem the back, so I can do the loops next, or I'll put on the skirt and then do the loops afterwards. Okay, so I finished the edges on the top, so now I'm going to sew the skirt and take it in as much as I need. Okay, I have the skirt and the top pinned together. So what I'm thinking is that I'm going to, I didn't take in the skirt that much, so it's like the size of the entire bottom, and I'm thinking that I'm going to sew it together, and then it's going to be big, and then I'm going to add elastic to make it fitted instead of doing a zipper. I have a piece of elastic that like will stretch enough but not too much for my back, so I'm going to stretch it to fit along the back of the skirt and just probably zigzag it, stitch it down. Yeah. I cut out some rectangles to make the loops to tie up the bag, so I'm going to sew them together and then sew them onto the dress. Thanks for watching. I really hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, follow me on my social medias, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.